Hey there, welcome to my channel. If you are someone who loves to write and wants to earn extra cash, then you are in the right place. In this video, I'll be introducing you to 5 websites that actually pay you to write articles for them. And no matter where you are, you're going to get paid from this website. So Africans, you can make money with these websites. Before we dive in, do subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hit the notification bell. The first website is called Blasting News. On this website, when you publish your articles, you get paid $200 per article. It is also one of the most visited websites. The website has over 40 million readers, so automatically you will get a lot of engaged readers for your articles. And that is important because they mention that the more you engage your audience, the more rewards you will get from the website. They also have over 10,000 freelancers and they are already being paid from this website. So go ahead and sign up, and hopefully you'll become a freelancer with this website. The second website is called listverse.com. I have already mentioned this website, but I like to re-mention it a lot because it has a lot of potential. So on Listverse, they're going to pay you whenever you give them unique lists. For example, 10 lists on the poorest countries on the earth, but those lists have already been made, so you need to have a unique list of your own. The rules that they have are very simple. They say as long as your list is unique and you haven't stole it from other people, you will get paid from this website. They usually pay $100 for each article. And to help you out with some ideas, they have lists that their readers love the most. For example, top 10 ridiculous celebrity items people have paid money for. That is an interesting list, and probably I will read it too. Others are like 10 uplifting stories to get you through the week and more of that. So you need to have your own unique list like these ones. The third website is called writersweekly.com. This website purchases articles from freelancers for their website, and each week they purchase articles from freelancers around the globe. Before submitting articles, you need to read their guidelines. They say that they will not respond to anyone that starts their email with "I want to write for you." They will only respond when you follow the guidelines. Also, before pitching your article, you need to subscribe to their Writers Weekly. It is totally free, and you will get articles to get familiar with their content before you submit your articles. They publish marketing secrets, so these are for the freelance writers and authors. If you want to submit articles and get a response from this website, it is better to make articles about marketing secrets. They also tell you to not pitch articles to these common industry topics, and they give you a list of all those topics. The fourth website is called Talent Desire. They say that they are looking for content writers to perform writing tasks for their global clients. There are no minimum entry barriers, but you can find out more about basic requirements. On the website, it also says that you can earn up to $4,500 per year to $31,500 per year. This is not per month, this is per year. Still, it's a lot of money. For guaranteed work, you can expect a minimum of $375 per month. They hire worldwide, and you can work part-time or full-time from your home. They do not expect any investment from you, but they also expect that you write amazing and unique content for their clients. They have 3 pricing for content writing jobs. First is per word, second is per hour, and third is per project job. You can find jobs of all levels and writing skills from beginner to expert. And below here, you can see how much they will pay you. As a beginner, you might be paid anywhere from 0.010 cents to 0.025 cents per word, which translates to $3 to $7 when you write 300 words for an article. And then they have for intermediate, professional, and experts. As you can see, they have the per article rate, and it says the same. $3, $9, $15, and $21. Their requirements are basic knowledge of the internet and English. The fifth website is called textroyal.com. With this website, you'll be paid $0.03 per word. So basically, that is $15 per 500 words for an article. They do weekly payouts, and you're going to be paid for your article as soon as the client accepts it. Your money will be immediately available, but you have to reach at least $10 for you to remove it. With this website, you can work from anywhere you want, just like the other website, and you can pick your own time. So these are the writing jobs that they offer. They have content writing jobs, copywriting jobs, technical writer jobs, creative writing jobs, blogging jobs, article writing jobs, and others. For example, travel writer, academic writing jobs, sport writing jobs, and so on. And that's it. Those are the 5 websites that will pay you to write for them. So now please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it with family and friends.